I am Mrs. T.A. Gumede, the Chief Director, District Operations Management. We are here in Riverside to attend the curriculum branch planning session. And I must indicate that the DDG curriculum wants to ensure that there is cohesion in our programs because we are all interested in what is happening within the four walls of the classroom. So one of the objectives that we want to achieve in this branch planning session is to ensure that there is improvement of learning outcomes, and that is going to be possible because we already have plans from the provincial level up to the level of the school where we are promoting the issue of reading at a foundational phase. That is why when we approach the issue of curriculum delivery at the level of the classroom, we are focusing on a systems-wide approach because we strengthen what is happening at the level of the foundation, especially at the exit grades. So we're looking at reading and also improvement of illiteracy at grade 3 level, grade 6 level, grade 9, as well as grade 12. And I must indicate that currently as a province, we are number one. And we know that people are just judging the performance of KZN Department of Education based on the grade 12 results. But I must indicate that with this strategic planning session, we are ensuring that we are strengthening what is happening in across all grades. That is why now at the level of grade 6, as a system, we are expected to report on how our grade 6 learners are performing in the language of teaching and learning as well as in mathematics. So in this strategic planning session, we are also strengthening the implementation of our maths strategy because in the past we have been known as a maths province, but now with time we are realizing that there are schools now that are opting for e-maths literacy rather than pure maths. So in this strategic planning session, we are promoting the taking of mathematics at the level of grade 10, and we want to ensure that the participation by the whole province is at a maximum. And whilst we're looking at the number of learners who should be passing at the level of grade 12, we are also conscious of the fact that we need to improve the quality of results. That is why in this branch, they are responsible for setting of targets. In terms of the overall targets, we are targeting 95% and above. But when it comes to issues of distinctions, we want to improve our distinctions such that majority of learners pass at a bachelor level, but we do accept the fact that there will be learners that will produce diploma pass. But we are ensuring that as a province we maintain the upward trajectory because we cannot afford to decline from our performance. And as we move out of here, we know that the districts are an engine through which all programs are delivered. That is why the DDG branch curriculum invited district directors to be part of this session because they are the ones who are at an operational level. So whatever strategies that will be put in place here will be implemented at the level of the district. And we are positive that as a system, we will maintain our position one, we will strengthen quality results, and we will be number one again with the class of 2026 when it comes to overall performance, the number of distinctions we will produce, as well as the number of bachelors that we will produce. Thank you.